Well, here we are, my friends, live from the Dance of Life Dancer Studios, the storm of the century. At least that's my view of it, because the last time I remember anything like this bad, this cold, was when I was about 14 years old. Here we go, step out here. This is the storm of the century, my friends. There's my vehicle right there. Oh, it's hard to even stand out here with this. Look at this snow on the side of this. Look at my porch. The storm of the century. We actually got somebody coming down the road, believe it or not. Actually, somebody coming down the road. Jeez. There's about a foot of snow out there, too, my friends out there. Look at this guy. He's coming down the road. About a foot of snow out there. Wow, not me. I value life too much in order to even try anything further than digging the car out today and starting it. That's all I'm doing for today. I'm not even going to shovel this till tomorrow. This is the way it looks out in the front yard right now, my friends. Stepping on the porch. This is the way it looks right now, my friends, right out here. The storm of the century. The roads are abandoned. The abandoned land. This is right outside the door of the Dance of Life Dancer. Abandoned. This is a highway. It's supposed to be the highway right here. Empty. Just like it was back when I was 14 years old, my friends. That's the last time I remember anything this bad. Or at least this cold, anyway. Dance of Life is closed today. Thought I'd just show you this, what it looks like out there. Right outside the door, the Dance of Life Dancer, the studios. My vehicle right there. Nothing on the road. Wow, that guy really had some... Woo! Even I wouldn't go out there today. Even if it was the biggest concert of the year, I wouldn't go out there today. Thank you for joining me. Hope you all have a good day. I thought you'd like to see a taste of what it's like out here for me right now, which is pretty bad. It's pretty bad for me to close things up, because I usually go through anything, and it's still snowing out here. You can see that. It's still coming. Thank you. Good night.